So in this video we are going to learn about algorithms. Algorithms are the flowcharts that we use to make describe certain mechanisms or certain things that flow in a direction. I'll show you some examples of flowchart. Let me so the thing is, whenever we make a flowchart or something, it's easier to describe the things in a flowchart rather than in a paragraph. As you know that when things go in a single direction, you can make sense out of it. So let's say this is a simple flowchart showing the sequence of event of how parathyroid hormone, vitamin D and mineral homeostasis finally leads to increase in calcium concentration of serum. Or there is another one in which how chronically renal failure leads to an increasing in secretion of parathyroid hormone. So for this, I would first suggest you go to the editor's help menu, and in the editor's help menu on the left side lower in how to edit a page, you go in the heading called algorithm. So these are the basics of algorithm. You can copy this code in an edit source, and you can the source code, and you can use this. There are simple algorithms and there are samples of the advanced algorithms that you may use, but I will show you how to make an algorithm from the base. So let's say, let me just start creating a new page for algorithm. Okay, okay, so in the start I'm just writing no table of contents, so I don't receive a table of content. Now every algorithm starts with a code, family tree, start, and ends with another code, and simple. Now in the middle we fill all the other stuff. So I'm just going to copy this code again and again. So each of this box, this column represents a separate box. So right now we have nothing here, but still, as you can see, I started selecting and these are coming as a box. So we fill information in these boxes and they start showing up. So let's say here I'm in one box, I'm filling information A01, and it comes as a box that is called A01. After that, I'm leaving a line empty, and in the second line I'll put, let's say, B01 and B02 at equal distances in order to keep the symmetry of the algorithm. So you can see that here B01 and B02 are here. Now the third thing is to join this with separate lines. There are several things that several small symbols that we use, that I'm going to show you, that is used in advanced algorithm to join these lines. Like if I put an inverted V here, something like this shows up. Okay, now I have to extend this line. In order to extend the line, a horizontal line, we use minus sign. I'm extending it on the both sides. So now, as you can see that I have extended it. Okay, sorry. Now I want to end it, one here and one here. So for ending here, I put a comma. For ending here, put a dot. So see, this is the algorithm. Now you can use, like, if you want to connect it horizontally, you can use an exclamation mark. If you want to connect it like with a cross sign, let's say if you put a plus, so so and extend it and have some other columns. You can use various other kinds of codes to make it look how you prefer. Now for all these codes, simply go to algorithms, and on the bottom there is something called advanced algorithms, where all these codes are present that you might use. Now final thing after completing an algorithm is adding the value. So let's say A01 is equal to inflammation, okay, which is of two types. So I'm just adding the value of the boxes. B01 have a bar, B02 is equal to, let's say, and so you can see now when I put in the value of these things, the algorithm is complete. So this is how you start making an algorithm from the base and complete it. I hope this helps you. Thank you for watching the video.